In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wedding invitation with wax seal in Canva. We'll start by building a beautiful digital invitation, then I'll show you how to add a real wax seal to your printed cards for that timeless, handcrafted finish. Open Canva and create a new design by searching for wedding invitation. This brings up pre-sized templates, so you don't have to guess dimensions. Pick a style that matches your theme, then customize the text, fonts, and colors. Keep your wording clear and legible, and choose font pairings that complement each other. If you're planning to print, aim for high contrast colors and keep key details away from the very edges to avoid trimming issues. Next, add a digital wax seal graphic. Head to the Elements tab on the left, type wax seal in the search bar, and press Enter. In the Graphics section, browse the options and, if you like, filter by color, style, or animation. Click a seal to add it to your canvas, then resize and reposition it with the drag handles. It looks great tucked into a corner or layered over a twisted ribbon graphic. If you need to adjust the layering, use the position controls so it sits above or below other elements. Many seal graphics allow color changes. Use the color picker in the top menu to match your palette. Subtle, muted tones often look more realistic and elegant. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select your file type. For professional printing, use PDF print for the highest quality, and consider enabling crop marks and bleed if your printer requests them. For digital sharing or online RSVPs, download as a PNG or JPG. Save your file, and you're ready to go. For printed invitations with a physical wax seal, first print your design on a sturdy cardstock. You'll need a wax stamp kit with a stamper head and handle, sealing wax in beads or sticks, and either a melting spoon or a hot glue gun designed for sealing wax. If using beads and a spoon, melt the wax over a tea light candle until it's fluid. Pour a small circular pool of wax onto the spot you've chosen on the invitation or envelope. Make sure your stamp is oriented correctly, then press it firmly and evenly into the hot wax. Hold steady, allow the wax to harden for about 20 seconds, and gently lift the stamp straight up. For best results, test on a spare sheet first and let finished seals cool completely before stacking your invitations. Thanks for watching.